So you might be in a situation where for some reason Microsoft Authenticator is just not working for your particular device. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is double checking your date and your time settings. So on your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, you want to make your way over into your date and time settings. So go inside of your settings app, scroll over until you get into your settings app in general. And then you want to go ahead and basically go into your date and time settings. And all you're going to want to do is just adjust these and make sure these are set automatically or they are working fine. A lot of the times these things can be giving you some issues, and that is kind of one of the big problems you might just want to kind of watch out for. So go through right into here, make sure your date and your time settings are properly set up. That's one of the main things you can do. Now, you might also want to make sure that your notifications are on inside of Microsoft Authenticator as well, because sometimes your notifications can be off. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to scroll down until you get into notifications, which is right over here. And then you want to go through and kind of scroll down until you find that Microsoft Authenticator option. So find Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, whatever you have. And all you're going to want to do here is you just want to go ahead and just make sure Authenticator is able to send out notifications. Because if it isn't, that's going to be able to cause a problem as well. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and just try updating your Authenticator application. Sometimes you might just have to go through, update this particular application. That's another really easy thing you can kind of do there as well. And if that's still not working, you might want to go through, try restarting your phone or kind of re-push that Authenticator and see if that can, end up fixing it. So that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.